Welcome on board this 2021 Nautitech 46 Open Jadamama, available for immediate delivery from New Zealand's Northland, courtesy of Multi-Oil Central's office in Opua. The Nautitech 46 Open truly encompasses Nautitech's defining characteristics of comfort, performance and seaworthiness. This 46 Open comes with a sleek walnut standard interior, the addition of a sit-down chart table and lowered boom, giving extra sail area and even better sail aspect ratio. Building on the changing styles of the cruising catamarans, increasing the already impressive performance and development based on the owner feedback. As hull number 145, Jadamama with her original owner has carried out her fair share of adventures. Having started the journey from a home port and island, the boat has sailed through the Pacific, island hopping and finally dropping anchor in New Zealand. It's now time for the new owner's dream to be realised. Launched in 2021 with VAT paid, this boat was fitted out with a range of factory extras, as well as many custom additions. Fully prepared for ocean passages and life on board, she benefits from twin helm stations, twin Volvo 60 horsepower diesel engines, a 7 kilowatt owner generator, 1000 amp hours of lithium batteries, over 1.2 kilowatts of solar, high capacity water maker, electric winches and a wide range of additional sails including a fully battened mainsail, self-tacking jib, an Elfstrom reaching Jenica, North Sails trade wind sail and North Sails Code 65. Jadamama has 4 spacious double cabins, each with its own ensuite shower room with electric toilet. The saloon features a convertible table with a great night watch position or an additional double berth. The galley is a chef's dream with a Bosch 4-gas hob, Airlux gas oven, microwave, generous fridge and freezer capacity. The boat has been prepared for long distance with ARC-compliant safety kit, an Iridium CTIS 700 SAT communications and backup autopilot system. The hull underwater is protected from copper coat anti-fouling. A high-filled 340 tender with 20 horsepower Honda sits snugly on the davits at the stern. Currently berthed in its Northland, New Zealand location with annual maintenance done, Jadamama is ready for the next adventure and available for inspection this year. To download the inventory brochure, click here. To see more quality pre-owned boats, click here.